Hello everyone, Scarlett here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to reset the oil maintenance light on this 2019 Infiniti Q50. Alright, so we're gonna go on your screen right here, not the navigation one, the one below, and then we're gonna click on the little arrow. We're gonna go to App Garage. After that, scroll down to Maintenance Note. Hit maintenance, then you're gonna hit engine, gonna hit engine oil, and then we're gonna reset. Okay, whoop. Let's go back. Maybe I have to do that too, but all right, then we're gonna go to oil filter, do the same thing, reset. Let's see, let me see, guess set it for 3 months. Let's do that too. No, whatever. We're gonna go into that, and then we're gonna go for, we are in June, July, August. Let's go for August, and we are on like the 26th, I'm guessing, 2023. Okay, got that done. Then we're going to go back to the engine oil so I can reset that too. Okay, let's go back. Where is it? August. Let's go to 26. And then 2023. Okay. Alright. Okay, then we're gonna go back and then we're gonna click on settings. We're gonna go to maintenance, reset all. Okay. Alright, and then we got a light on the dash, so we're gonna be scrolling through the options right here with this button right there. So I already had it on there, and then we're gonna hold this button down. Alright, and now it appeared service due in 9942. And that should be it. And you can turn the car off and then restart it. See if that warning light goes out. Let it start up. Okay, I'll scroll through again with that little button. And it's doing that. All good, guys. Thanks for watching.